one of the customers I work with came a couple years ago and said, we've got this bot for a little while. Looks like it's performing well. Our containment's at 40, 45%. I understand that's sort of best in class, but everyone's ticked off. We get the surveys, a small portion, but they're bad. My leadership doesn't like it. I'm still getting a flood of calls. Like what's going on? My bot looks great, on paper with my containment so high. And then it takes 5 minutes when you start looking at it to say, well, this customer just got frustrated and left. And they probably picked up the phone and gave you a call. So they went from a low-cost channel where they would have been happy to use it in self-serve to now being frustrated and then calling your highest cost support channel. And that was the problem. So you get this metric that says, hey, 45%, nearly half of my chats are contained, but they're all going somewhere else and getting higher cost support. So there's more to it. And so we face the same problem when we first launched bots. You get to a certain point and think, did we get to the most that we could have got out of this bot? And of course not. You look at more to it. There's some more signals around whether the customer's sort of trying a couple of times. Did they actually get something meaningful in the response? Did they get an answer to the question they asked, as an example? All of that gives you a better and clearer picture of whether you actually solved the problem. Containment has its place, but isn't enough.